While most of the crypto market was distracted by Solana and Ethereum mainnet, a massive on-chain trading frenzy quietly exploded on the Robinhood chain. In just days, early traders using advanced terminal tools have been printing life-changing returns, turning small 30 ETH positions into over 600 ETH on viral meme tokens like CASHCAT and VIBCAT. But behind the headline gains lies an ultra-competitive battlefield. Today we are breaking down GMGN.ai on Robinhood Chain, how it works, how top traders hunt 100x gems, and the exact steps to protect yourself in the trenches. Before we touch a single chart, here is the absolute truth. Meme coin trading on decentralized chains is hyper-speculative. Over 99% of newly launched tokens fail or go straight to zero within 24 hours. You can lose 100% of your invested capital to liquidity drains, honeypots, and sudden market crashes. Nothing in this video is financial or investment advice. Always manage your risk, never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And treat these tools strictly as technical infrastructure. Standard DEX aggregators like DEX Screener or Uniswap are built for viewing charts. GMGN.ai is engineered as an institutional-grade battlefield terminal. It combines sub-second mempool monitoring, automated smart contract risk audits, and instant one-click execution. And when Robinhood Chain launched with microcent gas fees and instant transaction finality, GMGN became the go-to platform for traders needing sub-second speed to beat retail markets. The heartbeat of GMGN on Robinhood Chain is the Trenches tab. It divides every token into 3 distinct lifecycle stages. First is the new column. Tokens minted seconds ago with high upside but extreme rug risk. Second is almost bonded. Tokens hitting 70 to 90% of their bonding curve capacity where community momentum compounds. And third is migrated. Tokens with permanent locked liquidity on decentralized pools where multi-million-dollar volume runs ignite. Let's dissect a real example. Look at this verified GMGN PNL card on CASHCAT. This trader accumulated 38.02 ETH worth of tokens, while CASHCAT was in the almost bonded trench. As the token migrated and trended across Telegram and X, they scaled out into liquidity, exiting with 600.21 ETH, a pure net profit of over 590 ETH, or a 474% gain. But notice the key detail, their hold balance is zero. Professional trench traders do not marry their bags. They take liquidity when euphoria peaks. Instead of guessing which meme will run, GMGN lets you track the smart money. The platform aggregates on-chain wallet intelligence, ranking top Robinhood Chain traders by 7-day win rate and net profit. With GMGN's copy trading engine, you can whitelist high-conviction wallets and mirror their buy and sell transactions automatically with custom slippage and position size limits. Speed is useless if you buy a token you can't sell. Before executing any trade on Robinhood Chain, GMGN runs an instant automated contract audit. It checks developer holdings to prevent single wallet dumps, top 10 holder concentration to detect cartel manipulation, and buy or sell taxes to warn you immediately if a token is a predatory honeypot. In high-volatility meme trading, a 2-second delay means entering at the top. GMGN features one-click preset buy buttons directly on the Trenches dashboard. You can pre-configure slippage tolerance, enable MEV protection to prevent sandwich attacks, and set automatic take-profit and stop-loss orders so your capital is protected even when you step away from the screen. The biggest danger in meme coin trading isn't the technology, it's human emotion. The traders who survive long-term follow strict rules. Never chase a green candle that has already migrated and pumped 500%. Take out your initial capital as soon as a trade doubles, letting only house money ride. And treat every trench trade as high-risk speculation, limiting each entry to no more than 1 to 2% of your portfolio. GMGN.ai has fundamentally elevated the standard for on-chain trading terminals on the Robinhood chain. If you are exploring this ecosystem, having real-time analytics, automated anti-rug scans, and fast execution isn't just an advantage, it is essential for survival. What is your strategy on Robinhood Chain? Are you hunting trenches or tracking smart money? Let us know in the comments below. Like and subscribe for more deep dive AI and on-chain intelligence.